How to hide online status in Instagram app. So if you want to hide your online status in Instagram app, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. And after opening your Instagram, you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And now you can go to the upper right corner, which has a 3-bar icon. And here go to settings and privacy. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have a bunch of options. So if you scroll down, how others can interact with you, under this you will have messages and story replies. On the first option, you can simply tap on that, and here on the last option you will have show activity status. You can simply tap on that, and from here you can turn this off. So that's it. That's how you turn off your activity status, or that's how you hide your online status in Instagram app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.